Welcome to the I Heal Myself from Within guided meditation. Ensure you are in a quiet, private, comfortable place. This should be a device-free zone. Turn all of your notifications off and focus on this moment of healing. Make yourself comfortable. You may choose to sit upright with your legs crossed, or you may lay on the floor. Commit to your position and ensure you can maintain it for the duration of this meditation. Settle into your position and allow your body to relax gradually. Now take in a deep breath slowly, exhaling with your eyes closed. Soften your jaw as you exhale and feel the breath as it leaves your body. With every inhale of your breath, imagine your mind opening. The energy from around you swirls and enters your body through the crown of your head. With every exhale, you feel your mind soften and expand. Imagine that with every intake of breath, the energy around you is entering through your forehead, and with every exhalation, your brow softens, allowing all of that energy to expand throughout your mind and head. With every inhalation, you can feel your throat embracing all of the energy swirling around you, and with every exhalation, your neck begins to relax. With every inhalation, you can feel your heart opening wide, sucking up all of the energy that is swirling around you. Push your shoulders back and chest forward, and feel your upper back expand as you inhale, exhale, and accept the energy. Relax. Now feel your stomach expand and open to the energy swirling around you. It's entering just above your belly button as you inhale and exhale. You can feel it within you like a steady, burning hot fire. And as you exhale, you can feel both your lower back and stomach begin to relax. Continue breathing deeply and feel your lower stomach area open with every inhalation. As you exhale, feel your hips relax. With every inhalation, you can feel the base of your spine opening. Picture your spine as a thick trunk, with its dark base extending into the ground, rooting you deeply. Allow yourself to root as deeply as you can. And with every exhalation, the lower half of your body relaxes deeper into the floor. Gravity is cradling you in the earth. The earth is offering you the safety and support you need. Accept it. Shift your focus back to your breath. With every breath, inhale everything you need. With every exhale of breath, exhale everything you don't need. With every breath, inhale everything you want. With every exhale of breath, exhale anything you no longer desire. Feel divine inspiration enter your body with every inhalation. Let go of anything that is no longer serving, and push it away from you back to the source as you exhale. Inhale and acknowledge that you exist on a plane beyond this physical realm. Repeat after me. I exist beyond the physical limits of myself. Now inhale, asking for guidance. Are there harmful habits and patterns stored within my cells? I ask for guidance now to create new, healthy patterns. It's time to open yourself up to change. I accept positive changes in my consciousness and allow that shift to promote a sense of healing within my body and life. Allow a sense of gratitude to wash over you and through you. Signal gratitude to every area of your body. Feel gratitude for the experience of your physical body. Feel gratitude for the feeling, tasting, seeing, smelling, hearing, and tasting that your body allows you to do. Whether you do so aloud or in your mind, repeat after me. I accept myself as I am. With every experience, I learn more about who I am. With every passing day, I improve in every way. My natural state of being is wellness. My body and my mind are capable of healing themselves. My cells are capable of self-repair. My mind is balanced. My thoughts are clear. My body is relaxed and my mind is healthy. My emotions bring me into self-alignment, and they are nourishing to my soul. I am the picture of health. All is well. I am in complete harmony with my surroundings. Inhale love. Exhale tension. Inhale harmony. Exhale discord. Remain connected to the feelings and sensations in your body. Inhale and feel your breath as it travels through your body. Exhale and connect to the sensations that flow through your body. Inhale healing. Exhale disease. Remain focused on your breathing as it grows deeper and slower. Inhale love. Exhale tension. Inhale harmony. Exhale discord. Remain connected to the feelings and sensations in your body. Inhale and feel your breath as it travels through your body. Exhale and connect to the sensations that flow through your body. Inhale healing. Exhale disease. Focus on inhaling love and joy that flows through you and heals you from within. Let go of blockages and negativity with every exhalation of breath. Inhale love and harmony and let go of criticism and judgment. Inhale healing, exhale negativity. Inhale healing, exhale pain. Inhale healing, exhale disappointment. Inhale healing, exhale sadness. Inhale healing, exhale rage. Inhale healing, exhale dissatisfaction. Inhale healing, exhale discontent. Inhale love, harmony, and healing. Take one final breath in. Inhale deeply and hold it. Now inhale a little deeper and hold it. Release your breath gently. Allow the air to gently flow from your lips. Squeeze every last drop of air from your lungs, allowing your diaphragm to gently contract. Now open your eyes and massage your body into a gentle stretch.